I am Amit Jain from Erawat Pharma, CEO of Erawat Pharma. The company is engaged in the manufacturing of hard gelatin and veg capsules. Company is located in the central part of the country, that is Indore. That is the heart of the Madhya Pradesh. We are in manufacturing since last 3 decades. Almost we have a very rich clientele base, and almost every pharma company in India as well as abroad is using our capsules. We are very much committed to deliver the capsule with quality on time. That always remains our priority, which we are focusing. And current that IPHEX, which gives a platform to meet all the existing as well as future customers to whom we can cater the our product. We more focus on establishing the product with the customer rather than selling. Once you establish the product at the customer end, definitely the sale is by default of your services. That is the commitment which we show with our customers. Thank you.